Hi my friends, it's Fawad again with one more video. This time I want to show you a surprise. I have my Samsung S10 Plus. See it? So let's go unbox it. Good. So here it is, my S10 Plus, the buds, and here it is, the S10 Plus. So here is my S10 Plus. I was waiting for it for so long. Right, let's go up. Yes, so here it is. Here my S10 Plus fast charger. So here it is. Now USB-C to USB-A cable, AKJ headphones, braided cable, on-screen. Best feature, on-screen fingerprint scanner. Always works for me. I don't know how people are complaining that it's not face recognition notification, like it's looking for my face right now. So here are some things you have to do first when you receive it. So first thing is I want to change it to the night mode, which makes it more beautiful. Second thing is about the Bixby button, most annoying one. Everybody's complaining. So there is an option that you can go to keep it, like assign something else to open an app for Bixby button. So if it's touched once, it goes to camera, which I use, but you have a lot of options to open up, like all the apps you can see from the list, everything. Like for example, if I choose that YouTube Studio, so if you can go and click once, it's open the YouTube Studio. And if I change it back to my camera, which I mostly use, so I just change it to the camera, and you can just close it and open it whenever you click it. It's right away open the thing. So it's not anymore that problem for the Bixby button. The second thing is advanced features, and in advanced features you can see that all those options in the lift to wake, double tap to wake up, smart stay, which I not use that much, and all those other ones like palm swipe to capture and all those options. There's dual messenger and all those things too, but I mostly like that lift to wake and tap to wake. So on-screen fingerprint scanner always work for me. Again, I try and look, see, I can see it. And the other best option I can see is live focus, which I mostly use on my Note 9 and S10 Plus 2. See, we have a lot of options in there, like effect. So this one is swirling one, the other one was round, and the last one is like a black and white one. So your focus one is colored and the background is black and white. And you can enjoy it and play with it. A lot of new features, and I can show you that. See, this is that sample photo. If you like the video, please like and share with your family, and thanks. Peace.